Alright, in this video we're checking for leaks in the fryers. This happens at our restaurants quite often because they do move them regularly and clean up behind and underneath the fryers. Sadly, a lot of restaurants don't do that, but these guys do, so they end up getting leaks at the connections or the swivels on the gas lines. As you can see here in the first part of the video, I'm going through and leak checking everything. Unfortunately, on this first fryer, you'll see as we go along, I take the line off, I'm checking the gas connections for leaks, but it turns out it was the internal gas line. You'll see toward the end there, I disconnect the line on the inside, ended up disconnecting it completely. That one I didn't have on the truck, so I'll have to order it. Those are pretty expensive, surprisingly, directly from Pitco.
On you?
What's that?
You happen to have another one of those on you, like in the truck?
I've got two in the truck right now.
This fourth one's starting to burst too.
Yeah, I gotta look at it. This one's a little more severe, I think.
Yeah, it's not as bad. I just saw the yellow one and was starting to bust.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. Yep, go ahead. I'll try not to move it.
You're all good. It'll be in a bucket that it won't move out of.
Then the fryer next to it had a small leak on the gas line, so we went ahead and changed that one out for the time being. This restaurant was down one fryer until we could get the internal line overnighted in and get it changed out.
I'll be down soon.
Contemplating life.
And you can see here that yes, I'm using pipe dope, and if you see a technician or if you do these yourself and you do not put pipe dope on there, big no on my end. Put pipe dope or Teflon tape on there. One of the two is industry standard and should be done. If you're a restaurant owner, don't mess around. If you smell gas consistently, get it checked out. Very important, guys, for liability and fire reasons. Anyways, that's it for this video. We got the line checked out and changed. They're down one fryer, but that's okay. They'll get through it until we get that internal gas line in. Thanks for watching, and this is just a little bit of a look. If you've never seen what hot side restaurant equipment technicians have to go through, this kind of gives you an idea of what it's like. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if it helps. It really helps the channel out. Thank you.